Hello everyone, my name is Taru and I'm back with another doll related video. This time it's going to be, as you can see by the stickers, a DoDollsDream opening video. I actually intended to do different videos before this one, but sadly there have been some tragedies in the family happening, so I couldn't really focus very well on any artistic things, and so it just happens that the first thing I'm recording ever since whatever started happening is this DoDollsDream opening. I have been waiting for this doll for so long and I'm so happy that she's finally here. She will be the Miss Marionette, Lullaby Aurelia that I ordered in the spring pre-order that DoDollsDream had this year. I went through a layaway, so it took me a while to pay her off actually, but let me tell you right now, since I'm actually recording this a few days later, after already getting into the package, she is so worth it. She's worth every little penny. Honestly, she's gorgeous. You can see I'm getting into the box. Finally, we have the beautiful, beautiful box. I love the design of DoDollsDream's boxes and these gorgeous polka dots and everything, and the little bow. Also, you might notice that I'm using a voiceover because actually I'm opening this while my boyfriend is playing Diablo next to me, so there are weird noises in the background. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's remove the little bow. It's soft and pretty and also pink and everything, and I'm so excited to get inside. You have no idea. It's I've been waiting for this doll for so long. I've painstakingly saved up to actually afford her because she's not cheap, let me tell you. But I mean, yeah, let's just open my little girl, who was one of the only actual full doll purchases this year for me. Sorry for my head peeking through. And yeah, on the top you can see on the right there is a small white box. Those are extra parts. I ordered some extra hands and extra feet with her. I thought I would probably go also for an extra head, but then I realized I wouldn't have a body for the extra head. So I just went with the extra feet and the extra hands. They are magnetic, so there's that. And let me tell you, they're so well packed. So much packing material went into this, so nothing is, damaged or anything. And this is the first time I'm seeing the Whiny Angel resin. It's so pretty. The color is lightish gray with a cooler undertone. And let me tell you, I've never ever touched resin as soft as this. I don't know what kind of resin DoDollsDream uses, but oh my god, it's so soft to the touch. It's almost a shame that I will have to spray MSC all over it when I do the face up, because just on its own, it's just so pleasant to the touch. Let's unpack the next one. There are so many nice details on these hands. I love the poses that they come in. I love that you can mix and match. They're magnetic, as I said. I've never had a doll with magnets like this for hands and feet, so I'll see how that ends up working for me. They're just so cute. Also, a fun fact, this doll actually came to me 20 minutes before I was supposed to leave on a doll coffee date with a friend, so I was kind of rushing through the opening process to just open it as quick as possible and to be able to actually take this doll with me to this coffee dolly thing that we do. So yeah, maybe that's why I'm not showing it as much, but This might be actually my favorite pose out of the hands, like the grabby one. They're so cute. Yeah, there was so many packages in these. I didn't get any other extra parts because I didn't feel like I needed them, honestly. The character I have planned for Lorelai, that is my Aurelia's name, doesn't need it. So these are the normal flat feet. They like look very nice and sturdy, and I like that they have a space between the thumb and the other fingers because you can technically put like flip-flops on the doll. Just cool. Yeah, just pretty nice. You can see that the gray is really just soft, kind of with like a cooler undertone next to the white in the box actually. This is actually my first gray skinned doll and I really wanted this color. I was also debating about the black one and there was like an aqua turquoise one, but I think like the gray is the best option for me honestly, or for what I have planned. Another hand, I love these so much. I love that there are like so many different poses that you can do with these. This is so cute. And I think that the only two things left right now are heel feet and the ballet feet. Let's go, let's unwrap it. And here we go. Oh my god, so many layers of wrappings, but it's good, it's great because then she will actually be okay in transit, you know. I can tell you right now, nothing arrived broken. These are the ballet feet. I think these will be really good for like pictures without shoes on, honestly. Maybe these are heel feet. I'm not sure. There are like two of them. But these will look really nice if I don't have any shoes on, for her just like lay down and have her bare feet showing. I would really like that in some sort of like a fantasy setting, probably. And here we are, the last package of the accessories pack or parts pack. Are these feet that honestly I really wonder if she can stand on these toe pads or if I have to put her on a stand. I haven't honestly tried it because I'm sort of scared that something might happen to her if I try. They're so well sculpted though. I imagine she could actually withstand standing on those. I know, yeah, so that's the pack of all the extra like parts. I think she actually is coming with no hands or feet on, so I will have to put some on her. Yeah, let's get rid of the bubble wrap layers that are there and get to the doll herself. At this point, I'm just thinking like, how do I remove? And then I noticed there's an envelope. So that's what I'm doing first. I have a business card inside, which is really cute and has one of the Miss Marionettes on top as well. Beautiful business card, and there should be also the certificate of authenticity, and there's some like information about the dolls. I love the like gorgeous detail on this. It's so cute. So yeah, these are like the documents that I get with the doll. Cute. Very cute. I love that everything's like color matched into this soft little pink thing. Amazing. And do I open the doll now? It's been 9 minutes. Can I open the doll now? I'm honest, like I don't know how I managed, but yeah. Let's go, let's get into this. I'm realizing at this time that I'm not ready to go yet, but I'm still opening this. I cannot stop opening this. I have to see her, you know? She's just like, she finally came to me. Anyways, yeah, let's try and get inside, position this nicely, and go through the layers of bubble wrap. And ta-da! Inside we have this beautiful like velvety case that I think I will be actually using as a transportation bag for her. It looks really like good quality, nicely sewn together. like all the nice things, and I love the dusty pink color of it. Even though I'm personally not like a big pink person, I'm pretty sure it will be fine. Let's get her out. And of course, there's like more protection which is great, and some more like pretty bows and stuff. At this point, I'm really late for starting to like prepare myself. I actually, let me tell you, ended up going with almost no makeup onto the doll meet, but I mean, I managed to open her and bring her with me, so I guess that's more important. I mean, hopefully. I'm getting inside now, slowly but surely. I love how securely she is packed, actually. That's so nice. At this point, I'm actually sort of starting to be very nervous because I'm gonna see her face for the first time. And let me tell you, it's always sort of nerve-wracking to meet the doll that you got for the first time, because what if there is no connection when you see her or him, when you like firstly look into their face for the first time. So yeah, especially if it's a doll that I've wanted for a longer time, and then I'm like, what if they don't match what I thought they would look like? So far, I'm just very impressed with everything I see, and after finally untying the last little knot, I am unwrapping her gorgeous face. And let me tell you, at this point, my eyes started to sort of water because she was so pretty. She looked like dreamy and stuff, and she was just simply perfect. There was an instant connection. I knew she would be one of my favorites. Let me see, there's a logo in the back. She is just really probably the doll that I have anticipated the most this year. And I'm so glad to finally have her. There's another like serial number in her head, and now I need to remove the little glue stick that DoDollsDream put in for transport. And ta-da! I removed her head and I put some hands and feet on her. And inside of her head, there's actually this gorgeously written Aurelia, which is the sculpt name. And yeah, and so I actually had to leave just right after the last clip. I couldn't finish putting her together. So here we are a few days later in a better lighting setting where you can properly see the resin color pop with the wig that I planned for her and with some random clothes that I put on her. And yeah, you can see her eyes. These are actually hers to stay. I got them at UK BJD Con in May, and they're from a Chinese artist called Xiao Zazi. The wig is the perfect color. I'm not sure about the style, but I'll try doing something to it. She's wearing a top by Ball Jointed Soulmates on Etsy. It actually fits her really nicely, just like a little crop toppy maybe, and a skirt she borrowed from Hazel. So yeah. Anyways, definitely if you want like tops for your Miss Marionettes, check out Ball Jointed Soulmates. It's their SD lines that fit quite well. Not sure about the bottoms yet. I might try the skirt that I own on her next. I will, if you want, do like a posability test video. Just let me know in the comments below. For now, I'm just here sharing the love, the happiness. She is so pretty, so gorgeous. I still cannot get over how high quality the resin is. She can actually stand on her own, at least on the flat feet. I did not try doing it with any other feet, but like she feels very sturdy, if you know what I mean. Like very good quality and not as flimsy as some other dolls. She has some extra joints in her shoulders, so she can move a little better than Normally, like, there are more posability options, and also she has a jointed neck, which is also very great. But yeah, I might, if you are interested in some of that, do a posability test just for the body in another video. This one here was just to share like the happiness of finally having my one of my honestly like grail dolls with me. And yeah, if you liked, if you enjoyed, don't forget to, like, subscribe, leave a comment, follow me on other social media, which are linked in the description. And if you have any idea for me or any like video you would like to see, definitely let me know in the comments or over on my Instagram at terudoll. And yeah, for now, this has been it. Me and Lorelai, or well, my Lullaby Aurelia, I saying bye bye bye.